Hey guys, Scott here from Who Arted. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm actually doing an unboxing, and this is a arcade emulator, Pandora Games 3D. It used to be called Pandoras Box. You might be familiar with it, but apparently it's an arcade machine, joysticks and all. Plug it in your TV and you've got thousands of arcade games to play. I will be in future videos building a arcade cabinet for it. And there will be some awesome airbrushing, I'm sure, on the sides of it, so there'll be a couple videos there. But first, the unboxing. What is it? Is it any good? Is it worth even doing? Let's find out. I brought this arcade in a box over to my buddy Jason's house because he happens to have an actual arcade at his house. What better place to do this? Sorry ladies, he's taken. So here it is. This is basically the box you get. Let's open it up and have some fun. Hey, look at that. We have VGA, and there's a USB 2, and HDMI. That's what we're going to be using. That's it. Plug it into your TV, and it's 1985 all over again. Audio out. You can hook to computer speakers or stereo system. Extra buttons. Look at that. Ooh. It is pretty. They're not the concave like I'm used to.
No, but I think in Japan, that's pretty typical to have the convex. The convex buttons.
And those can be switched out easily, right?
Oh, sure.
I mean, those can be changed, and you could stiffen or soften the spring in those as well, right?
Well, you'd pretty much just probably replace the sticks if you didn't like how these are, but I think they feel just fine.
All right, we got 1-player start, coin, 2-player start. Come on, let's see what's connected back here. So, we got on-off, power, HDMI, VGA, volume, and 2 USB ports. Yeah, you can plug in what it looks like a gamepad. So it says here you can play 4-player.
Yeah.
With gamepads, plugging in gamepads. Pretty cool.
That's a pretty cool option.
So we're gonna let's open this up and see.
Want me to do the honors?
Go for it. Yeah, let's see what's in there. Tells you all about the motherboard and where to modify it. And there you go.
That's it?
Small speakers. So when I build a cabinet, I'm definitely going to add some bigger speakers to it. I want that good old arcade sound.
You can replace the buttons.
Yeah, and I'll probably just use this until it stops working, and then these are easy and inexpensive to replace. So let's hook it up and see how it plays. So that is with VGA, and it actually looks great. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Hooking up into VGA. Now there's no audio in VGA, but we're hearing the speaker.
I'll see if the graphic lets you down here.
Yeah, there's a little bit of this. So here it tells you right here you got 3D games. 3D fighting game. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Sports game. So there's a non.
Look for something that's 2D.
Let's try a Metal Slug original. Should look great. Sound great, you would think. Start. Looks pretty good. Yeah,
Mission 1, start.
So you have a save state right there. Save state, load state. That's awesome. 2D games look great. Let's try another 3D game. Let's start. Just play. Boy, that's actually so weird playing this with a joystick. But it looks great. This is a polygon game. Let's see. So this isn't an analog joystick?
No,
So
that'd be
that's
a
kind
challenge.
of an issue there. It's more like playing with a D-pad. So essentially, it doesn't go anywhere.
You can't even jump on the guys.
No.
No. Check this out. You just get hurt by jumping on them, so you have to throw fireballs.
Okay, so we got some knockoffs. So if you want those, but you
Wow.
can't make a favorites list, so you can make all the good stuff. And I guess
Yeah.
pay attention to the knockoffs.
This wouldn't go on my favorites list at
No,
all.
it would not. Right. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but it looks fun.
It actually does look fun.
Yeah, I like that kind of Starflight.
So how much you spent on this thing?
$250.
Okay. You know, I think
so
with what's
far,
here,
I think it's worth every penny.
Yeah,
And
I
I'm
mean-
looking forward to having some fun with this.
we'll definitely have more than $250 worth of entertainment here.
Oh, hours of entertainment there. Toy Story. Huh. World Heroes, Power Suits, Swamp Thing. First scary movie I've ever seen. As
Yeah?
a kid.
You know, that looks like something like from a Sega Genesis or.
It does look like that, huh? Bump and jump. Remember that game? That does not look so good.
Oh, it had Choplifter. I have that game.
The chocolate there.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is the old chocolate there.
Uh-huh.
Shoot. Flip around. Oh.
There we go. You played this before?
Oh, it's been a long time. Wow, they're terrible at it.
That's alright. Okay, so there's a difference right there.
What's that?
When the little guys go inside the helicopter,
Where's
I
that?
think they usually say something like thank you or.
Oh,
Okay, so it's missing some audio.
Can we try it on this? Oh, let's do it. Let's try the actual choplifter machine. That sounds different for sure.
You want to coin it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, my kid's left a Skittle.
There's some screen flicker on the video here, but that's not. I'm not seeing that. It does look a little crisper, doesn't it, on this CRT? And there's the thank you that we're missing. Okay, it turns out the TV was not working as far as the HDMI is concerned, so we got another TV with the HDMI hooked up, and we'll see how much better that looks.
Yeah.
HDMI 1. There you go. Connecting.
There we go.
There we go. Wow, that is definitely considerably better than the VGA. Yeah, the lettering's a little clearer. And now we're hearing audio from the TV. Brighter colors for sure. Yeah, this looks more like the actual arcade game than this originated. How to add games. Awesome.
Oh, here we go. Edit game list. That's great.
Add a game list. Delete games, delete all games. Don't hit that one. Cool.
Oh, see, A hides the game that you don't want. So you could actually go through the list and hide all the games that you would never ever play. And if there's games that don't play well or games that are inappropriate for your kids or whatever.
The games you just plain don't like and I don't have to scroll past.
Exactly.
Because there are a lot to scroll past. Yeah, and the HDMI looks great. This thing is lightweight. If you can just take this to your buddy's house, hook it up to their TV. I mean, besides having a carrying case, it's totally portable. I like it. I give it a 2 thumbs up. I want another one. Well, guys, if you don't have enough room in your house for this, all you need is this. So that's the Pandora Games 3D in a box. So keep an eye out for my upcoming videos where I'm going to build an awesome cabinet for it and airbrush it. Not sure what yet. Have to figure my favorite games, my favorite characters maybe. I don't know. I'll probably delete some games on here, some duplicate games, some knockoff games, some games I just plain don't like. Probably load some games on it too that are missing. Seems easy enough. Might actually replace these two because the clicking is loud. We'll see. Check it out.